Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Console, and today we're gonna see about the Elixir validator node. So Elixir already released two phases of validator node, that is V1 and V2, but the V2 has stopped and it's over 3 months of period. Now they released the V3 validators. So today we're gonna set up the V3 validator for Elixir. Elixir is the order book and it's a proof of stake concept. So it is right now integrated with the major exchanges like Hyperliquid, DYDX, and other order book dexes. So it is also cross-chain compatibility. That's one thing. Let's see about the Elixir's funding. So the Elixir raised $17.6 million at the valuation of 800 million. So the investors of Mistin Labs, it is the SUI tokens parent network, and the GSR. For the seed round, they raised with the Bitmax and Falconex, so they are one of the giants in the sector, and the Angel is also involved, so it's a pretty good investors. So Elixir is also running a campaign called Rituals in the Telegram groups. So we already shared the launch group of Elixirs. So if you complete the rituals, you may actually get into the private group. So the private group already gave $1,000 worth of Omni token for their airdrop. If you contributed in the rituals and get into the private Telegram group, you may have a lot of chances in getting the potions. That is the main XP like thing for the Elixir. So you can actually see here. So if you connect your wallet, right now it is supporting the. So I connected my wallet. So as you can see, this is the potion score. There is my another wallet, so I don't have any potions here. So if you participated in the staking before, you need to lock the ETH for a couple of months until August. So you may have get like 4 potions for the $100 for a month, I think. That's one thing. Now they opened the DUSD pair for 5x boost to get the potions. So the potions actually converted into the Elixir native token. That's the thing. So you can also add the liquidity pool like USD and USDT for this. So it also have the 5x boost. So that's something. So right now we may can expect some rewards, but everything is not promised. But they launched the testnet 3 like thing, so they actually implementing the run a node in a website. That's some positive sign for rewards. We can expect a big thing or nothing. See about setting up the validator. So I logged into my VPS. So the minimum requirement are Ubuntu 22, minimum 8 GB RAM and 100 GB storage. So before getting into the actual node setup, if you want to join my Telegram group, kindly join. So this is my Telegram group. You can. So we post A to Z information in the crypto space. We actually cover the things that most of guys don't cover. See, these are the things. Kindly hop into our Telegram group and follow me on Twitter, or I regularly post things on the node guide updates on the Twitter. And subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos. That boosts me to do more contents on the crypto space. So thank you if you already subscribed. So let's get into the node setup. First we need to install the dependencies for the node. So I'm going to copy and paste this. So it's a good thing to run always update and upgrade, because you need to update to the latest security patch. So next I'm going to install the Docker. So the next thing is this thing, mk directory is a command to make a directory, that means a folder like in the phone, and the cd is changing into the directory. So you can also run by one. So let me show you this. First of all, so these are the directories I have in my VPS. I'm gonna run mk directory. So I just want to show this is the thing that happens backend. I don't have to do it, but I'm gonna show you guys. So let's do this before. Now I'm gonna LSAML list all. That's the thing. So see, you have the Elixir directory. Now the cd Elixir is nothing but changing directory to the Elixir. Copy it, paste it. See, now we change the directory into the Elixir. That's the thing. Now the wget command is the webget and this thing is this is the location of the file, and we're going to get the file from the web. So that's why we're going to use the wget and the file location. So we downloaded. So it is actually 150 KB per second. Let's see, we got it, and it is 150 KB. So the ls only lists the names, but the lscr list with the size and the what type of document and the folder and the username. That's the difference between ls and lscr. And I'm gonna also install the nano. Nano is nothing but a editor, just like the office or excel. And now we're gonna edit the validator file. So before editing the validator file, I'm just gonna create a wallet, that is a dummy wallet, that I'm gonna use for the Elixir validator purpose. So here I'm going with the Rabi wallet, but you can actually use MetaMask for this. So I'm just gonna pause and create the wallet, okay, so that I don't reveal the mnemonic phrases. So I created a wallet using Rabi wallet. So the two things I did was I copied my private key and saved it somewhere else, and also copied the address. So what you need to do is, if you created a wallet using a MetaMask, you may actually get only the seed phrase. So if you need the private key, you just go and install the Rabi wallet or any other wallet as a second wallet. So for Rabi wallet, if you import the address using mnemonic phrases, you can actually get it from here. So backup private key, right? So enter your password. So you can actually get it from here. If you click it, it will show your private key. So copy and save it. So the next thing I'm gonna do, edit the validator env. So what here I need to do is, so the executor name, right? You need to replace it with your name, anything you want. So I'm gonna replace it with crypto console, and the address, the executor beneficiary is your the created address, the wallet address, right? You go and copy it from here. I'm gonna paste it. So the last thing is the private key. So you need to get the private key of this wallet, okay? So I actually saved it here. I'm gonna paste it and control X to exit from the file, and press Y and then enter. The same thing we do all the time. So you need to control X, right, and then press Y and then press enter. So I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna pause it for you. So I saved the file, and I'm gonna clear for the better view. So what this thing is, if you have funds on the another wallet, please use the funds from the another wallet, because the newly created wallet is only for the testing purpose. You also reveal the private key in your validator file in VPS. That is almost don't use for anything else. Just use the isolated wallet for this. So for the faucet link, you need to at least to have 0.001 ETH on the mainnet, that is the Ethereum chain. So we can't do that. But if you have the this much of amount on any other wallet address, get it the Ethereum Sepolia from the faucet, and send it to the wallet address that we created. Okay, I'm actually gonna do that because I have funds on this wallet. Custom network, send this. So yeah, so I have fund on this, so I'm gonna do this. Now send 0.5. So this is the test ether, so we don't need to worry about that. So I received funds on the validator, Elixir validator address. So the next thing is, I'm gonna pull the Docker. So it will download the files and pull it and extract it. That's the process of this command. So the next thing is, I'm gonna start my node. So copy this command and run this. So the image has been created, and now my node is running. Let's see the Dockers. Yeah, so I got my image and it is running. So for now, I'm gonna check my node logs. See, the details are here and my address is here, and no errors found. The response is also good, so I'm gonna exit this context. Now I'm gonna check the node health. So this command is nothing but, so let's see the port is open or not. That's the only thing it's gonna check. So you need to get the status equal to OK, then only your node is running. So that's one thing. So these commands are, the team frequently update the nodes and give the security patches. So you need to update the node on and off. So I'll update it once the team has any node updates or So I'll update it on my Telegram channel. So join into my Telegram channel. I gave the link here. So easy to join. These two commands are nothing but we're gonna delete the Docker Elixir, and I'm going to remove the images, and also the same thing what we did here. So pull the Docker and start the node, because we're gonna get the newly updated libraries from the actual root folder. So that's the thing. So let's check my node progress here. So I'm gonna copy my validator address. I'm going to search here. So the thing is, I already have something here. So let's go with this wallet, because I already have some portions here. So let's check this. See, I'll sign in with this wallet, right? So I already have some portions here. I'm going to click connect, and also sign the wallet. So I'm going to mint the mock tokens first of all. You need to approve the tokens first, mint the tokens, and then approve the tokens for the staking purpose. Sign it. So the tokens got approved. I'm gonna stake the mock tokens. So sign the transaction. Just wait for a minute and it will get updated. So I stake my mock tokens. So I'm gonna delegate to a custom validator. That is the validator account of my node. So I'm gonna delegate it to my node. So click delegate, and I'm gonna sign the transaction. So as you can see, I successfully delegated my tokens to my validator address. So the status is also healthy, and the average uptime will automatically update. So you need to have at 100% of uptime for the node to be healthy. So you need to have the 100% uptime for your rewards also. If there is any reward, you need to have the 100% uptime. They will also release the threshold for the uptime. It may be 100%, or in some cases it may have 80% uptime also. So it is up to the team. So just wait for that. And the next thing is you need to visit this website. I'm gonna copy and go here, and click on your address. So here, sign your account. So here you can get the validator wizard. So click there and paste your EVM address, that your apothecary account, not your validator address. So click next, and then enter your validator address. So this is my validator address. I'm gonna copy it, click next. So sign message using your normal account, not the validator. And next you need to connect your validator account. So switch to your Elixir account. So sign here. So and then submit your account. So for now the testnet 3 validators are not eligible at this time. So I will update once the testnet 3 validators are eligible. They will release the submission for the validators in the future. So I'll update in my Twitter and Telegram. So even though if I click submit, it will not work. See, so the testnet, because we are running the node in the testnet 3 phase, there are already 2 phases got finished. So we need to wait for the team to update the validator address. Okay, I will update this on this. So this is the process. I just want to show the process of linking wallet to your apothecary account. So that's the thing for today. So please subscribe our channel, like, and share our video. If you have any doubts, comment there. I will reply to every comment. And kindly follow me on Twitter, and also open to our Telegram group. There we can have the support thing. See, we are a team that is very engaging and supporting to each other. So you need to, if you need any support, kindly hop into our Telegram channel. There you can have everything. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you are doing well. So we will see you in another video soon. Okay, have a nice day, guys.